Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the pointer or cursor in mouse properties on Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on Settings. Under Windows 11 Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Mouse. Now under related settings, click on this one additional mouse setting option. This will open mouse properties window. Here switch to this one pointers tab, and now under a scheme, select a pointer scheme and preview it. Once satisfied, to apply this one mouse scheme, click on this one apply and then OK button. Now that particular pointer scheme will be applied throughout your Windows 11 PC.